Okay, so let's go with the topic called crossover rate today. And yesterday we have graphically seen what really is the crossover rate. Today we are going to practically find this particular crossover rate. Okay. Now let's see how to find out the crossover rate for a project. It's an important question. See, let's let like there are two projects here. This particular crossover rate we can find out with the help of this example. We'll see how to find out. So the following shows the calculation of crossover rate for two projects when they both have level cash flows, like different level of cash flows. Correct? A
Cash
company
flow
is
means return of our
sorry,
investment, sir.
sorry.
Cash flows. It means return of our investment or the thing which we are investing.
What? Sorry, which one?
Cash flows. Like we'll have
Cash
different
flows,
cash
we will
flows,
get
right?
cash. See, cash flows here, they did not mention whether it's a cash inflow or outflow. That means they are speaking about both inflow and outflow. That means first there will be a outflow, then there will be a inflow. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, here you are investing 50,000. That's an outflow. Here you are investing 1,50,000. That's an outflow. These are two different level of cash flows. And here you are receiving some cash inflows of 15,000 annually for 5 years. Here you are receiving 44,000 for 5 years annually. So these are two cash inflows, correct?
Yes.
So a company is considering two projects A and B. Each requires the purchase of a new machine, but the company can accept only one project because it has factory space for only one new machine. That is mutually exclusive project. Investments are given, things are given here. I have already explained. At which discount rate would the company be indifferent? That means they are asking you crossover rate. Crossover rate is that rate at which both the projects would have equal NPV or same NPV. Okay. Now, in other words, what is a single discount rate that would result in the same NPV for both projects? A project's NPV is the present value of its future cash inflows minus initial investment. So you already know this formula. Present value of cash inflows. After discounting all the future cash flows, you get present value of cash inflows minus your investment. So you get your NPV. Also, the present value of an annuity is the annual cash flow payment multiplied. Okay, we know how to do that. Okay, now we will go for the calculation.
Yes.
So, see, if I have to tell you NPV is nothing but the present value of future cash flows minus the initial investment or outflow. This is your NPV. Will you accept this point? Please tell me.
Yes.
And here this 15,000 we are getting every year, and this X we are assuming as annuity factor. What is that?
Okay.
What is that?
Annuity factor.
Why this is what we are taking as annuity factor? Because instead of discounting 15,000 every year for 5 years and getting the present value, it is better if you multiply that annuity factor with this 15,000 and get the present value as on today for all the 15,000 cash flows which we are going to receive in the future for next 5 years. Correct?
Yes.
So here also we are doing the same thing. 44,000 into the annuity factor minus the initial investment will give you the project B's NPV. Now, as per the concept, the crossover rate says that it is the rate at which both the projects NPV should be same. So NPV of A should be equal to NPV of B. Correct? So you equate it and find out the annuity factor. Please do this till here. I'm waiting. Then we'll go forward. Got it? Okay, doing now. Okay, I'm waiting. Fine. If you're when you're done with, please tell me. I'll go forward. You're doing Nazarina?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, okay. And Smriti doing? Finish? So
Sir,
now what you
I
need to
can
do?
join.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Fine. You can. You
You
need to
can
go to
continue,
the.
sir.
Sorry.
You can continue, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So what you need to do? You need to go to the present value of annuity table. There you have to see for fifth year 3.448 where you are getting. Okay. You do that here. Fifth year 3.4. What was that? 3 point? Hello.
44827.
4 4. Exactly, it is coming, not exactly, but it is coming near to 14%. Okay. Almost all. So yeah, that is your crossover rate. Fine. Just finish it off. Okay. Let's move forward. Just can you do this question? Can you try this?
Yes, sir.
And also this one. Okay, I'm giving time. Come on, start this. I'm waiting. So what are they asking? A firm with a 18% cost of capital is considering the following projects on Jan 1st. Year 1. So Jan 1st year 1, this is the outflow for project A, and they got an inflow of that project at the end of year 5. That means after 5 years. So this is what you have done the initial investment, and this is what you got at the end of year 5, and the return was 16. This is IRR. That means this is the rate at which this project A's NPV would be exactly equal to 0. Okay. This is project B's investment, and these are the inflows. They're asking you find out IRR for this. So can you do this? And also you have to find out the project A's NPV. Okay. I'm waiting. The question is very clear. Zarina and Smriti, any luck? Did you get the answer for the first one? Hello.
No, sir.
No.
92nd. I'm not waiting that.
See, very simple one. I'm not understanding why you are not doing. Let us take this outflow 3 lakh 50 35 something. This is your initial investment. What is your inflow? 74 something. Into what is, you need to find out the present value. Your cost of capital is 18%. What is your factor for the fifth year? 0.4371, correct?
Yes.
So
Yes,
year
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's for 5 years. So you just take that 0.4371, multiply with this. Whatever you are getting, you subtract this from that. You'll get the NPV. Please do this. I'm waiting. Strange if you are not doing this. What are you getting?
2,65,460.
That's negative or positive NPV?
Positive, negative.
It's a negative NPV, of course, because your present value of inflows is less than outflow. So this is your answer. Okay. You can check
Yes,
it
sir.
backside and then you find out the project B's IRR. I'm waiting for that. Pure conceptually, you have to think. Okay. So this is not that tough. They're asking you IRR. So IRR is nothing but it is that cost of capital at which your NPV should be exactly equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, to get that, our cost of capital happens to be 18%. Okay. So what you can do in this case, you can take this outflow and this is your inflow. You take 16%, this one, and you take, just a second, I'll tell you. See, they are giving you 4 rates, na? 15, 16, 18, 20. Am I right? Please tell me yes or no. Hello.
Hello, yes, sir.
We need to pick one out of these 4, correct?
Yes.
So in our list, this is gone, this is gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rates are there. You take 20% and you take 15%. Please. Okay, what I'm saying to do is your investment, your outflow is 40, this something. Okay, 40 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Inflow is 99 lakhs 50,000. You just discount this 99 lakh 50,000 with 20% rate and with 15% rate once. Please do this. That means into 0.4019 and tell me what you're getting. And also the same number you should take and discount with 15% and tell me what you're getting. So whatever you're getting here, you subtract this with this. If you are getting the value very near to 0 or exactly 0, that rate would be your IRR. Okay, can you try this? Please tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is your inflow, na? We are discounting this inflow to the present value today. So we are multiplying
20,
with discounting factor. Suppose
95.
this answer is for 40 lakhs, suppose. So here you can get 0. So this 20% will be your IRR. Like that you have to try with 15 and 16% also. I am waiting.
For 20%, we are getting 1095
Sorry,
difference.
1095.
5. Yes, sir.
And please do with 15% also.
It's around something 9 lakh.
Or else do with 16%. Okay, because let us wait. With 20% you're getting this positive NPV.
For 60%, we are getting 7
And
lakh
if you take a lesser
37.
rate, you would get the discounting would be less, even more positive NPV. So I think almost all 20% can only be the answer. Let us see.
Yes, for 20%. For 15%, it's something 9 lakh, and for 16%, it's 7 lakh 37,195.
Yeah. You will be getting a higher number. Why? Because those are less discounting rates, no? Yeah. 93 wala na? Yeah, this is like correct. Okay, because you're getting a very less value, it seems. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what they have done is they have this present value. See what they have done. And IRR is nothing but is that rate at which your PV of cash inflows should be equal to PV of cash outflows. So PV of cash inflow I can get with by just taking 99 lakh 50,000 and multiplying with the discounting factor. Okay. That discounting factor I'm keeping reserved. That is, I'm assuming it as X. That should be equal to your 40 lakhs, correct? Please tell me yes or no. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To get present value of cash inflows, whatever the future cash inflows I have to discount with a factor. That factor I don't know, I'm keeping it as X. I told you a different method, this is a different method. I'm explaining this method also.
Yes,
Now
sir.
that X would be 40 lakhs divided by 99 lakhs 50,000. So you're getting 0.402. That you check in the table. It is very near to 0.4019, hence 20%. Okay, just make a note of this even. We'll go for the next question. Okay, have you done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do the next one. So theory question I would leave for you to do like based upon your reading. Okay. Have we done this question? 91 question done, na? Please tell me. Hello. Did we do this question? Hello.
Hello, do
Did we do this question?
No, sir, no.
No, sir, we didn't do.
Okay, please try this. And why I am leaving this theory question, I could have discussed with you, but I want you to read the text first, okay, and then try to give it. Then we can discuss on it. Okay, go. Just do this question. I'm waiting.
Yeah, in that thing, the Keshav medical registering too. No, you know Keshav medical, na? You know Srishishram, but just opposite to Srishishram. Opposite to Srishishram.
You would solve it, or shall I help you? Hello. Hello.
You need to like.
Yes, I'm trying.
You would solve it, or shall I help?
Um, trying. So you help.
See, I have done just the question right now. Similar question, very similar question. You should try, or else how would you get the answers? How would you do the questions? Okay, try this. Let me see, or else I'll do just meeting for 2 to 3 minutes.
Subject wise recharge, per subject recharge.
Okay, have you got the answer? Let's check it out. See, Tendulkar Inc. has a project that requires this much initial investment and is expected to generate annual after tax cash flows of this much for 12 years. Okay. So initial investment is something this one, and they are going to receive this much in 12 years. So you need to find out the present value of this as on today. So 60 divided by 1 plus it is 14%. So we'll take 0.14, or else you can go to the table and you can check the table. You can take 12 years and in that you can take with 14% what is your present value. Okay, factor. So 60 divided by 1.14. Can you tell me what's the answer for this? Hello. So it is 52.63.
52 lakh 63,000.
52.63
Yeah.
157.
So 12, 6. So you're getting something. Just a second. Oh my God. Okay. Just a second. It is not this. Actually, uh, the investment is this, and the expected, it is expected to generate annual after-tax cash flows of this much for 12 years. Every year this much. So 60 into present value of annuity factor at the rate of 14% for 12 years. So we'll take that factor from the table. So present value of annuity factor at 12%. It is 12% now, or for what is that? 12%, correct? For 12. 14% or 12%?
14% for 12 years.
How much percent?
14% for 12 years.
14% for 12 years. So yeah. So it is 12th year 5.660. Okay. So we will multiply that with this. Yeah. So what was the factor? 5.660, no?
Yes, sir.
So 60 into, we'll take the full amount, 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 into 5.660. We'll get 339
640.
339,600,000 minus 400,000,000. So we'll get 60,40,000. 60,40,000 negative value. Okay, this is our NPV. So can you do the IRR? Just we did the same question now for IRR. It's very simple.
Yes, I got IRR.
So what did you do for your IRR?
It's
You took your present value of cash inflow should be equal to your present value of cash outflow.
and
So
factor.
present value
Yes.
of your cash inflow. So 60, this one whatever is given, like 60 into X, correct?
X, yes, sir, is equal to
Is
40.
equal to 40.
40.
Yeah, that's what. So
0.666666.
X is equal to 40, whatever is given. divided by 60 something. So what is the answer you got? X is equal to?
6.66666 and so
Yeah,
on.
because 2 by 3 you'll get here. Something 6.666. So what is that 6.666 if you see for the 12 years in the annuity factor table? Let's go and see there and just tally. We'll directly go into the answer and tally it. 6.66 and that is closest to 10% because it is near to 6.814. Okay, that's the answer. So please go to the questions what we are trying. Okay, don't leave it like that. I'm covering every question, working hard, and I'm going to share the PDFs also very soon. Fine. Have you done this 88 question, Zarina? This one?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, we did it.
Yeah, Smriti, please watch that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please get updated. And then next one, the 91st question also done. 92nd question we just did. Okay, this is done. 95th. Can you just do this question? I'm waiting. Last question of the day. Can you try this as a homework, please? Hello?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, just do this as a homework. Tomorrow you are entering into the whole, and I want you to read all the theory and try this, and we will discuss. Tomorrow you are entering into advanced capital budgeting topics. Okay. Whereby tomorrow, please be prepared for all the three methods again with some extra information. I will wind up that one. More 3 classes, 3 to 4 classes. Hopefully, you're done with this chapter. Okay. Probably 3 to 4 classes. That's it. Fine. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.